Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about the project radiation image enhancement method based on nonlinear mapping. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. We propose a scheme for retinex transformation which are used for the image contrast enhancement and to improve the quality of the image. The process contains the automatic exponent selections method to improve the pixel quality of the image. By improving the pixel quality, we can improve the entire image quality. It does not require the users to choose the exponent in the pixel transformation. It will automatically select the pixel transformations method. This process works well for the image having the poor contrast, especially to those images in which the peaks corresponding to the background and then the foreground are not widely separately. Hence it is not widely separated in this sense. The background and the foreground will be having the same intensities, which is having the dark intensities. So that reasons we have to improve the quality of the image to differentiate the background and the foreground. We selected an image which had a single dominant peak in the histogram and subjected it to the enhancement algorithm described above. Hence, the APG algorithm based procedure pixel equalization provides the better contrast illumination corrections and then the pixel differentiations also. By enhancing the pixel differentiation, already we have discussed, the background and foreground regions will be enhanced clearly and then the details of the pictures will be visible accurately. Then the connected components label algorithm is exploited to label the two binary image containing the focus positions information and then the regions with focus measures errors are transferred between the two binary image. The fusion result is finally recorded through three weighted binary image combined with the original multifocus image. Furthermore, we conduct the several experiments to verify the feasibility of the proposed fusion method. The performance of SSIM is demonstrated to be the superior to current methods. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall working flow of this process. This project consists the steps like input image, pre-processing, transformation, illumination corrections, gamma corrections and performance analysis. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset consists of lots and lots of images which is having the poor quality as well as the poor contrast. After taking any one image from the dataset, we just move to the pre-processing. Pre-processing is carried to resize the image, which is resizing the row and column of the image to maintain the aspect ratios of row and column. The properties of resizing is to maintain the size of the image. Then transformation is carried out by using the logarithmic transformations method to transform the image from the spatial domain to the frequency domain. After doing the transformations, the illumination correction is carried out. In this illumination corrections, the contrast and the brightness adjustment is doing to do the illuminations corrections. After doing the illuminations, we just move to the gamma corrections. In this gamma corrections, accelerated phenomenal gradient, that is the APG algorithm, is used to correct the gamma correction. Hence both the illumination corrections and the gamma corrections is applied to correct the pixel qualities. After doing the corrections of the pixel quality, the enhanced image will be the output of the process. After doing the enhancement, we have estimated the quality of the pixels by means of the PSNR, MSE and time. PSNR is abbreviated as an peak signal to noise ratio and the MSE is abbreviated as an mean square error. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure of the process. At first, open the Matlab 2019B and then change the current directory. If you want to execute the process, just right click in the main file.em and you have see the option run. Click the option run. After clicking the button option run, the dataset will be open automatically. You can select any one image from the dataset. After doing the selection of the input image from the dataset, the process will be done one by one automatically. After doing the enhancement enhancement, the process will be done. Now we can discuss the results one by one. This is the input image we have taken from the dataset. After importing the image from the dataset, we just move to the second stage of the project, that is the pre-processing. One of the pre-processing is noise filtering. Hence here you can see the filtered image a little bit similar to the input image. After doing the filtering, the noise pixels will be removed, then the grayscale conversion is carried out. The figure 3 represents the grayscale image. So the normal image having the 3 bands like red, green, blue. Now the grayscale image having only the single band, that is the grayscale band. After doing the conversion of the grayscale, the logarithmic transformations is applied to transform the image from the spatial domains to the frequency domain. Before going to that, the gradients is applied to see the difference between the one object to the another object. So you can see the difference between the pixel intensities. After separating the pixel intensities, the image will be looking like this. So the logarithmic transformed image is shown like this. After doing this one, so the again and again the logarithmic transformation is displayed here. The reason is having the different kinds of thresholds we have applied. So based on the different kind of thresholds, the each and every threshold having the logarithmic transformed image, that is the image displayed there. Finally the enhanced image is displayed like this. You can see the difference between the input image and then the enhanced image. So the input image is a little bit blur, as well as it will shows the color intensity as an black intensity. So in the enhanced image, the pixels details will be seen clearly. Now the gamma value is around 0.6 something. So the PSNR and the MSE is this one. So the MSE is 1.6 and then the PSNR is 45.8. The performance graph will be looking like the time elapsed is the 7.8 seconds. This is the histogram graph between the input and output.
Thanks for watching this video.